So now we are going to draw a development of a pentagonal pyramid of base 30 mm sides. The side of base perpendicular to VP. Draw the development of lateral surface of the retained portion of the pyramid shown by the dark lines as shown in the figure. This is a given question where the height of the pyramid is 60 mm and it is cut by two section planes, one perpendicular to VP and one other making angle of 60 degrees with respect to VP, and it's a pentagonal pyramid of side 30 mm where one of the base edge is perpendicular to VP. You have to redraw the same thing once again. So this is a figure where one of the side is perpendicular to VP, and this is a question. I will read down again once again here. So A, B, C, D, E, and it is cutting the front portion BC at F. So you can name this as F here, and the back portion AE at G. So for this we have to draw the development. This was the question, and you have to redraw it once again with the pentagon and top view of the pentagon. This was the front view they have given. You have to draw the top view also. So you have to measure the distance where it is cut. This distance I have measured front and back. This is 21.71. Okay, this will be same again. First draw a arc. First measure the slant height. It is 65.20. So draw a arc of 65.20. Draw a line, connect to center. So each side is 30 mm. So divide into equal lengths. So draw a arc 30 mm. Again from here 30 mm, cut the points and join them. So when I do in the system, I got an option here. One more option I will show you. If you do it manually, you have to cut it and do it. If you are doing on the system, one more option you can use. You can use mirror here. Go for mirror. Select the entire thing. Click here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 divisions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are divided into 5 equal divisions. So manually also you can do it. I showed in the last. There same way you can do in the last. Whatever showed you can do it that way also. This is also correct. So in between BC there is a division of length. How to measure it? .71. First let me name them. So A, B, C, D, E and A. This is O. So this is the slant edge length. This is a base length. In between B and C, I have to split again into F, and in between A and D into G. So take a arc from here, 21.71. Join it to the center. Again take a arc, this 21.71, join to the apex. So this is E and this is F, E and G, this is F and G. Go for F and this is G. So start measure the distance. Before that I have to name the points where it is cutting. So this is 1 in between A and B. This is 2, three, 4. So this is cutting two edges. 5, 6, and this is 7. So it is cutting OA at 1. Let me do it once again. So it is cutting OA at 1, OB at 2. Okay, I should have written 2 here. OP at 2. Next is in between B and C, it is cutting one more point. Let me write it as 3. And OC as 4, OD as 5, OE as 6, and in between A and E it is cutting 7. It is cutting 7 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let me measure the distance. This distance from here to here, it is 31.73. So take this point and 31.73. Cut it here. Similarly on the other side also you can cut it. This is also 31.73. Okay. So again it is cutting OB here at 2. Okay. Same I have to take 31.73. Somewhere here it is cutting. So in between B and C it is cutting point F. So I have to measure the distance. It is exactly 30, I think. From here to it is 30. So take 30. So this is 30. Again in between A and E it is cutting one more point at 30. Okay, now you have to measure the other distance also. between C and E. So measure this distance. This 24.65, 6 and 4, 24.65, 24 point, it is cutting C and E. 24.6. Okay, take a arc. 24.65. This side also is cutting E. 24.65. So I should have marked this here, and on G, by mistake I have marked it here. I'll move it or extend this one. This I'll remove it. I'll mark it other side. This is 30. So D is remaining here. I have to measure D also. This is 18.77. So it is 18.77. So you have to join all the lines now. Just zoom this one and join all the points. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll do the arcs now. Okay, so just name them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again 1. So this should be made light and this should be made dark. Just have to trim it and make them dark, light. Trim these portions off. So this ends the development of the pyramid.